Everybody. So at school we eat cornbread, and I don't have the exact same recipe, but I've got a very easy, very delicious recipe that I hope you'll enjoy. The first thing is some self-raising wheat flour. That's the secret ingredient, the self-raising part. Then we're going to put in a tin of sweet corn and some brown onion soup flavoring and some milk. So it's very quick and very easy, but we don't need this whole thing of flour. We're only going to use a half. Half a bag of self-raising flour. And then our sweet corn. And our soup. This just adds a bit of extra delicious flavor. I'm choosing brown onion, but you could use white onion or something else that's yummy. And then we mix it all together. Look at that. Mixing it all up together. We still need a bit of milk. About 1 cupful. There we go, all nicely mixed together. See, soft. And now we've just got to go outside to spray this, because you don't want these fumes in your house. So you don't want all that stuff going in your lungs. There we go. And then we scrape all of this into our bread, baking bread thing, pan, our bread pan. It's called a bread pan. Put it all in the bread pan. There we go. And then we're going to pop it in the oven to cook for about half an hour at about 180 degrees. It's going to be delicious, and we'll eat it with a bit of butter while it's still hot and with a bit of potato soup, because that makes a good meal. Right, all ready, and it's going to go in the oven, and Tor wants to lick out the stuff. What does it taste like, Tor? A bit salty. Okay, in the oven, and I will show you when it's all done. It's been an hour, and so our cornbread is ready. Let's see how it tastes. Here it comes out the oven. My word, look how it's grown and risen. Oh, it's going to be delicious. Cut this and see how it's going to taste. Ooh. Inside, hot and crispy. We'll put some butter on it, and then our very hungry photographer called Angie can have it for her lunch. Delicious. And nice, dipped in some potato soup.